Hi mga ka-HH! What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to make a special dessert. Special dessert para sa akin dahil ito ang kauna-unahang natutunan kong gawing dessert or cake without baking. Yes, tama po. Cake without baking or without using an oven. So I'm going to introduce now. The Italian dessert for excellence, the most exported and imitated one, none other than Tiramisu. Commonly mistaken by people as a Japanese dish because of the sound of its name, Tiramisu. As a matter of fact, Tiramisu is a popular Italian dessert. It's made of alternating layers of savoiardi or ladyfingers biscuits dipped in Italian coffee and whip mixtures of mascarpone or an Italian triple cream cheese, and syempre hindi mawawala ang eggs. So let's get started now. In traditional recipe, the ingredients are savoiardi or the lady fingers, mascarpone, the triple cream cheese, ground coffee, sugar, and 4 eggs. By the way guys, this is the mocha pot that we can use to make an Italian coffee. I'm going to show you how to use this one guys. First, remove this one, this part, and put the water here. Then put the coffee. To start with it guys, we need 2 bowls. Kasi i-separate natin yung egg white at egg yolks. Okay? First, I will beat the egg yolks. I will put half of the sugar. Now the egg yolk became clear. Now we can add the mascarpone or the triple cream cheese spoonful at a time. So the cream is ready and we have to clean the whisk. Egg white naman. While beating the egg white, put some sugar. And it is ready now. Look. Paano nyo malalaman kung ready na? Like this. Hindi siya matatapon. The cream is ready. The egg white is ready. Let's mix it now. So we put the egg white here slowly. And we mix it from top to bottom. Para hindi masira yung foam niya. So creamy! Look! I think I did it perfect. It is ready now. I think we need to put the savoiardi now here. Okay. Here's the coffee and savoiardi, but we have to put the cream first for the first layer. Now we dip the ladyfinger biscuit in the coffee. Now we put the second layer. So creamy! You know guys, I will give you a trivia. Literally kapag tinranslate nyo ang tiramisu sa English word, it makes three words. Tira means pull in English. Me as in me. M-E. Su, up. So, kung ita-translate mo yun, pull me up. Or, carry me up. Yun ang kalalabasan niya. The last layer. Now the tiramisu is done. For finale, we will put the cacao powder. It is Perugina brand from Perugia. It is the #1 cacao powder in Italy. And we will put on the top of the cake. Okay, now it is 100% ready to put inside the fridge. Okay mga ka-HH, the wait is over after 7 hours of waiting inside the fridge. Let's see the result. So yummy. Yes. Okay, let's taste it now. Wow. Buonissimo! Yeah! Sarap!
Gusto mo na!
Okay na. So mga ka-HH, thank you for watching guys. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below. Kung bago ka sa akin channel, please subscribe. And click the bell button to get you notified every time na meron akong bagong video. Thank you very much. As I'm always saying, remember this, ignore people who think they know more about you than you do. That's how to be happy. That's how to be happy.